Alright, I have the new Android 9 9-inch installed in the Toyota Sienna. It has fast boot. Look at that. I love it. Everything's good.
Let's take some phone calls.
Antenna's awesome. This is my home screen now. Just like how it is on my Civic. Have the Bluetooth, the music, play, next, speed, torque app, Google Chrome, YouTube, Google Play Store, Wi-Fi, videos. It's dope, man. It's fast. Monster House is playing right now. Sweet. Ready for the kids. Look at all these movies. Astro Boy, Brother Bear, Bolt, Dinosaur, Monster House, Frankenweenie, Monster Incorporated, Planet 51, Pixels, The Good Dinosaur, The Croods, The Iron Giant. Man, this movie's so dope. Look at that. Nice, crisp, clear. Woo! This shit is dope. This shit is hella dope. Man, look at that. I like it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stop, you're gonna monetize me.